Florida Democrats spent today railing on Governor Ron DeSantis for continuing to oppose stronger COVID-19 protections in Florida. And now political experts are warning the public may not have the party's back after losing some seats in the November election last month. Our Capitol reporter Forrest Saunders in Tallahassee to explain.
During a news conference, Senate Democrats offered up a buffet of complaints, saying as the pandemic continues to grow more dire in the Sunshine State, the governor is turning a blind eye. While hospitalizations are lower, case numbers are increasing to summer levels in Florida. Senate Democrats now wanting change from Governor Ron DeSantis.
We're not calling for a shutdown, but we are calling for harm reduction and mitigation.
Caucus members Thursday pushing for more transparency on virus data.
We have concerns about the positivity rates and the death numbers being massaged.
And renewing demands for a statewide mask order.
It's just so simple, and I don't understand what the burden is. It's a piece of cloth.
The governor is staunchly opposed to such mandates, questioning their effectiveness in front of reporters last week.
Has that stopped an outbreak in Minnesota, Illinois, Michigan? What about New Jersey?
Through executive order, the Republicans suspended COVID-19 enforcement fines and is taking a hardline, limited government stance on most other protections. Florida State Professor Carol Weissert says not to expect weakening in the coming months.
The Republicans are correct to think that we're marching along with the orders from the population.
Weissert points out the GOP gained legislative seats in the election, which voters likely saw as a referendum on pandemic policies.
It's conceivable something huge will happen, but our numbers are so high in the state, and people seem to be still sort of falling on the economic development side rather than the public health side.
The state will likely stay status quo, she expects, even after lawmakers return for session in March. Before that, however, committee meetings are set to begin in January, and that will be our first gauge of bipartisanship temperatures as these two parties' competing views on COVID-19 clash. That's the latest out here at the Capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.